Hands-checking mattress seams help you catch bed bugs early. Focus on folds, corners, and tags where they hide and lay eggs out of sight. Bedbug close-up on fabric reminds us that even tiny pests can bring big problems. Catching them early gives you a real fighting chance. Vacuuming bed frame and mattress sucks out bugs, eggs, and dirt. Always seal and toss the vacuum bag outside after to stop reinfestation. Pile of laundry in hot dryer shows how real heat above 120 degrees Fahrenheit wipes out bed bugs fast. Dry clothes, bedding, and even pillows on high heat cycles. Sunlight pouring over bedding won't kill deep hidden bugs, but helps air out bedding, dry moisture, and make hiding spots less cozy for pests. Diatomaceous earth powder close-up shows how it scrapes bed bugs' shells and slowly dries them out. Use food grade and dust lightly into cracks. Hand applying dye along baseboards creates invisible traps. A fine layer, not thick piles, in crevices forces bugs to crawl through and dry out. Encasement on mattress traps any bugs already inside and blocks new ones from nesting. Look for covers designed for bed bugs with strong zippers. Essential oils next to bed offer a light scent bed bugs dislike, but don't rely on it alone. Combine scents like lavender with cleaning for best results. Steam cleaner over mattress seam sends killing heat deep into tiny cracks. Move slowly. Direct contact at 160° F+ is what knocks bugs out completely. Decluttering items under bed strips bed bugs of hiding spots. Fewer cozy dark corners means fewer places for them to regroup and grow. Washing curtains in hot water often gets overlooked. Bed bugs can climb fabric walls too, so clean everything, not just the mattress and sheets. Sealing cracks around baseboards keeps sneaky bugs from crawling in and out. Caulk every gap near walls, windows, and bed frames to close the escape routes. Minimalist clean bedroom means fewer places for pests to thrive. Simpler setups also make spotting any invaders easier before a small problem grows big. Mattress lifted from frame shows a spot many miss. Bed bugs love wood slats, frames, and screw holes. Inspect every inch, not just the bedding. Plastic storage bins under bed replace fabric clutter that bed bugs love. Hard, smooth bins block access and make sneaky invasions harder for pests. Person wiping headboard with cloth shows why every piece matters. Bed bugs often hide behind headboards, so clean those hard surfaces too, not just soft ones. Fully sealed trash bag outside house prevents bed bugs from escaping into your home again. Always throw infested items far away from living spaces. Final peaceful bedroom scene with window open marks the finish line. With clean spaces, sealed cracks, and smart defenses, you finally win the battle for your bed.